Fantastic.
Yeah.
Mate, I've really taken a lot in from him, and I guess his real life experiences into the theory is fantastic. So it makes it personal to me. Broaden my knowledge and give me a bit more confidence, and not be, I guess, emotional when investing in that. So I'm taking a lot in, and I'm actually really looking forward to coming to Monday and taking the knowledge that I've learned today and tomorrow to make me some money.
I just want to be able to have choices, to be able to go and put somebody else on and be able to go, well, I can go here and do this and do that. Be able to actually be able to go, I choose to be here and do this, or I'm choosing to travel somewhere else and do something else. He made it very simple, easy to follow, and structured. Certainly give me confidence to be able to take those first steps to then be able to be successful at it.
I think Andrew is just a wealth of knowledge. He has so much knowledge in there. He's so many ideas. He's really easy to listen to. Really easy to relate to. Everything he says just makes sense.
The session we did with the guys just now was within the group setting was about the best learning experience I think you can get. Sort of working practically, so it's found it very, very useful. Well, I think in these bootcamps what you do is you get a lot of little snippets of new information, some of the analogies that Andrew comes up with. He came up with one yesterday when we were talking about people working on the business versus in the business. And you kind of tend to get yourself a little bit bogged down in sort of the day-to-day side of things. It's when you take that step back and start working on the business and having a look at this instance with trading on the strategies and the statistics, what sort of returns you're doing sort of per trade, and then have a look at the annualised returns. You start realising, how good you can, and that's where you need to improve. As long as they were to leverage off the skills and the guys' resources around,
use the mentorship, use the training.
Yeah, if you don't do that, I think you're going to get bogged down, or it's going to sort of perhaps go over your head. When you actually use the resources, come to the boot camps like what we do now. When you actually bring the guys up on the desk and the guys are always willing to talk to you, then you get the benefit out of it, and then you make money.
Well, it's called Options Made Easy, and it really did.
It did make it easy.
Definitely, I can follow it, I understand it, I know what I've got to do next, and I have confidence I can.
I see it was a great insight as to how to analyse charts. I'm now confident analysing charts and choosing stocks for myself. And definitely keen to get home and start my trading plan and risk management strategies. First of all, I'd like to start out with calendar spreads just to increase my account balance, get that up to a nice large sum, and then run calendar spreads on top of that, just so it's a steady income, not risking too much there.
I've been out of the options game for a few years, so it was a great refresher to get back into the market.
Fantastic.
Lots of little snippets of information that I found very useful. Basically implementing the covered calls and the calendar spreads.
That's good about doing that.
That's right up the alley that I want to go to. So. Bootcamp, it covered many different aspects, so you didn't need to know a lot about options. Covered all aspects, so don't be afraid of jumping in there and having a go at one of these boot camps, because you'll learn stuff.
It was very interesting, and it gave me an insight into what can be done and the benefits of trading the options area. I need to do a lot more sort of self-education. I think everyone's very knowledgeable and sounds like very approachable as well.